Welcome everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to draw my melody. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw an oval for the face. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, go around the left side, and across the bottom. I'm just going to bend this up towards the top. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw two small ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, come all the way down, and then back up. Let's line up the top over on the right side and do the same thing. Let's fill the eyes in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw a small oval going around to the nose. And then we'll move down and draw a curve for the mouth. Going down and then up. Now let's go to the left eye. We're going to step all the way up towards the top and draw a circle for the knot of the bow. And we'll draw the side of the bow. Let's start on the top left of that circle, bend this around, and then in towards the side. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's draw the bottom half of the bow, starting back on the left. Come around and then up underneath that circle. Now on either side, we're going to add a fold with a small curve. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom of the face. We're going to curve the head. Let's start with the left. We're going to go out, around at the head, and then pull that in towards the side of the bow. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. We're going to go around the face, go up, and then in. Now the right ear we're going to curl around towards the middle. So let's start up here, going around, up towards the top, and then we're just going to bend this down. Let's round out the ear, and just curl that back up towards the right side. And then we're going to straighten out the left ear in behind the bow. So we're going to start right in the middle, going up, and pull this down on top of the bow. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of my melody. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.